Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing today? Me, I'm doing all right. I am currently trying to make some of these bowl cozies that I needed to make. The first one that I made, and I haven't made these in probably 20 years. So, I didn't look at the directions. And let's just say it's flat. It won't hold the bowl. So then I realized that I forgot the dang darts. So the first one I made after that had darts, but they were not that deep. So while yes, it'll hold the bowl, it doesn't quite stand up the way I would want it to. But hey. Then we have, let me show you, a couple of these. Aren't they fun? Oh my goodness. So those turned out really good. And now I am working on that one with the purple with the black kitty cats. I mean, these aren't perfect, but hey, they'll hold the bowl and keep your hand from getting burnt. So, how are you doing today? How is your sewing? I'm not sure if I'm really supposed to go backwards with my walking foot, but hey, I do all the time. And I'm probably not supposed to, but I don't have it in the true AccuFeed mode right now. I'm just using it to help push some fabric through. I'm trimming these off because one of the ones I didn't, and it was a little bulky through there. So the next one I did, and I'm trimming these off. So it's not going to be quite so much bulk. Now I have to do this one. And that was terrible, terrible news about Charlie Kirk. That was terrible. Hold on, I had to let my dog in. He seemed to be a bright young man. That after the girl and Charlotte, man. I don't know. And then I hear Flo from the Alice show. She passed away. It makes me feel old, I loved that show. Mel's Diner. Alice. Great. And we're about to get this last side. Okay, so now we put like sides together. Kind of check it and see if it's going to bowl up. That might want to be turned one way or another. I don't know. I think it does. Oops. I forgot this one side. That'll make a difference. Oh. Have you started working on holiday projects yet? Are you procrastinating, kind of like me? I mean, well, this is sort of, I guess, this will probably be used year-round where they're going. Me, I did the welcome banner. I've got the other side colors picked that I want to use, and I'll get started on it probably after I get all of this done. I need to sew it from this way, where I can actually see where I'm stitching. Okay, we'll go this way. As you see, I'm not very exact in my sewing. Oops. A little too far. Now, give me a second. I'm gonna roughly trim some of this up before I flip it. You know, I saw that Ike Quilt has a die for these. I mean, I imagine if you were selling them in bulk or something that you needed to cut out that many, but for 1 or 2 or 10, nah, not the price of this thing. Okay, trim these threads here. Second. And another one. Hopefully I can get my hand in here. Get it turned. I like to keep my fun colors on the outside, and the solid colors are more on the inside. What about you? Or do you do both sides fun like I did the eyeballs and the bats? That was requested. Otherwise, it would have probably been something like this. Although, I don't know. They had requested for the eyeballs and bats, but I didn't have enough of the eyeball. So, oh well. Okay. We are getting ready to close it up. And, oh, come on. Here we go. There's probably Janami retailers out there seeing this video going, oh my gosh, I can't believe she's using her walking foot going that fast. Cut these threads. This one is going to be a little bit bigger, I think, on the inside. It'll be all right. Okay, here's where the fun happens. Turn it around. Voila! And there we have another bowl cozy. So, anyway, I could like do free motion quilting or something on it, but nah. Why? It's a bowl cozy. Anyway, and that's it for the Daily Quilt Show for September 12th. And I hope you have a fabulous day. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.